Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, today's video about new makeup release by Bratz X Colourpop Full Collection. Full Collection Set. Price $124.00. Girls Night Out. Shadow Palette. This price is $26. Highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effect, and blends smoothly and evenly. Jade's Cologne Passion for Fashion. Metallic White. She's iconic. Baby Pick with Silvery Blue Duochrome Finish. Sasha. Warm Gold Glitter with Copper and Silvery Highlights. That Girl. Soft Lilac with Gold Duochrome Finish. Dump Him. Matte Mauve. Yasmin. Lavender with Silvery Pinpoints. Express Yourself. Matte Fuchsia. Girls Night Out. Lavender Glitter with Rainbow Highlights. Livin It Up. Bright Purple with Silvery Blue Duochrome Finish. Girls Rule. So Juicy Plumping Gloss. This price is $9. Get the ultimate high shine finish with our OG Plumping Lip Gloss. Loaded with cooling, lip plumping peptides to create fuller-looking, pouty lips. This gloss has it all. Refreshing peppermint tingles while nourishing jojoba Aloe Plus Vitamin E Hydrate and Condition Lips. This see-through coverage gloss delivers all-day shine in a maximum plumping formula. Cloe Lippie Kit. This price is $14. Lippie Pencil. A long-lasting and high-intensity lip pencil that glides on easily and prevents feathering. Many of our Lippie sticks have a coordinating Lippie pencil design to complement it perfectly, but feel free to mix and match. Jade Lippie Kit. Lippie Stix. Formula contains vitamin E, mango, avocado, and shea butter for added comfort and moisture. None of our Lippie formulas contain any nasty ingredients like parabens or sulfates. Sasha Lippie Kit. It's giving Bratz with our Lippie Pencil plus Lippie Stix kits in a throwback pearlized finish inspired by Cloe, Jade, Yasmin, and Sasha. Yasmin Lippie Kit. Perfectly define or overline your lips with our creamy Lippie Pencil while Lippie Stix delivers comfy full coverage color in one swipe. Individual face and hair crystals. Crystal Face Jewels. This price is $10. Be extra in the best way. Crystal Face Jewels are self-adhesive rhinestone jewels that add the perfect sparkle to your look. In an array of sizes and shapes, you'll find a style that fits your vibe. Ready to take it off for the night. Removes easily without leaving residue. Ready for another look. Reuse them as many times as you like. 2001 BFF Liquid Liner. This price is $10. Meet BFF Liquid Liner, our precision felt tip liquid eyeliner pen. The easy-to-use flexible tip glides on smoothly with intense pigmentation in one swipe without skipping or tugging. She's with you from thin to thick, from a sleek wing to a full-on cat eye. She builds you up and won't let you down. Find a friend that keeps you looking sharp all day. This transfer-resistant formula won't smudge, feather, or run. Super Stylin BFF Liquid Liner. This price is $10. Create the perfect cat eye with our precision felt tip liquid eyeliner for looks with total gratitude. Gratitude Glitter Gel. This price is $10. A high-voltage glitter pack gel that provides intense sparkle and shine, each featuring a unique blend of multi-dimensional and multicolored glitters. Glitters are suspended in an adhesive gel formula. That means there's no need for glitter glue. Take your look up a notch, or 100. Bratz R Bratz Glitter Gel. Shine like DIAMONDZ. What it is. Have a passion for fashion with this Bratz-inspired shade that's easy to use plus mess-free. Why you'll love it, it features multi-dimensional glitters in an adhesive gel, so there's no need for glitter glue. you liked today's video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.